Hello Vault Dwellers, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the Fire Belly Hot Toddy drink from the Fallout Cookbook. For the spice syrup, we are going to need 1 cup of white granulated sugar, a half of a cup of water, 1 slice of lime peel, 1 strip of orange peel, as well as 1 cinnamon stick, 2 small slices of ginger that have been peeled, and 1 whole clove berry. On your zest, just be sure to remove all the white pithy part in the back. It does lead to bitterness. Alright guys, well that's all we need for the spiced syrup mixture. I will go over the rest of the hot toddy ingredients later once we get to that section. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring in my pot, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1 cup of sugar and my half a cup of water, as well as all of my spices and my my lime and orange peel. Alright, and now that we have all of our ingredients assembled in our little pot here, I'm going to move it over to the stove, bring it up to a boil until the sugar melts, and then I'm going to drop it down to simmer and allow it to simmer for 20 minutes before I remove it from the heat. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Alright guys, our simple spice syrup is done, and I've gone ahead and strained it out and put it into a small mason jar that I can put a lid on once it cools down. And this can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. To assemble our hot toddy, we're going to need 1 cup of hot water, to which I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tea bag, and I'm going to allow that to steep in. Now that this has been steeping for a few minutes, I am going to go ahead and remove my tea bag. And the next thing we're going to add in is 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'm going to stir that until it completely melts. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And that was from a freshly squeezed lemon, as well as 3 tablespoons of whiskey. And the last thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of our syrup. Alright guys, our hot toddy is completely done. I did go ahead and garnish it with a little slice of lemon, which is totally optional. You can certainly leave that out. Now since I do not imbibe, I've gone ahead and made another cup with everything except the whiskey in it, and I will say this is very good. I love the subtle hint of the cinnamon as well as the clove and the ginger. It adds a very warming feeling to this little cup of tea. Overall, I am certainly going to be making this again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. Remember the Gamers and Geeks playlist, as well as my Fallout cooking playlist. I will leave links down in the description to them. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I'm a Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.